Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a literal barn find, Richfield. And it came from Washington State area. So let's stay tuned, see how things turn out on the resto / cleanup. I've got a little bit of water, a little bit of soap on a microfiber. Look at that. Look how nicely that comes up. And we've got original lettering here, which is to die for. It says Richfield, the gasoline of power. Rich lube. 100% pure Pennsylvania motor oil. Super cool. This is coming out nicely. And we like to slowly do this to slowly get the dust and yuck off. And I'll probably do this about 3 times. Flipped it around. We did a little up here. Starting to look better. When we get over here, this is looking quite nice. But here, look at the before. And I'm slowly gonna get that dirt off. These microfibers are great. Starting to come up. Starting to see that original color. Little by little. I'll take my time around here. Nice Richfield logo. And I'm not overdoing it here. Just simply trying to get 100 year of dirt and dust to come up. It's a beautiful Survivor, isn't it? I'll get in with Q-tips in here a little bit better. Beautiful sticker. That's one of the nicest parts about this toy. Hands painted frame patterns, which may slowly come out. And then we'll see this rubber get some of that dusty stuff off. It'll start to pop. And what's beautiful about this is look at that pinstriping. Somebody did it once, twice, 3 times, but they spun it on a lathe and hand worked it. Get back in here, get a little of that. There. Take our time. Okay, we did a stain remover on the bottom down here. And we're going to do a stain remover after we did that test up here. We're not going to do much, but we just want to get this a little more yellow because we've had kind of a rust bleed. Starting to get a yucky Q-tip. And again, there's a little soap, little water, little stain remover. We're not trying to do too much. We're just literally trying to help it pop just a bit before. And then here's a bit of an after. Not too much, but just a bit cleaner. So this side's gonna need some more of that love. That's great to see the way things used to be. Dirt. Got a nice little spigot, which is always missing. And we got a little crank to simulate starting. I've seen little spots like here And I know it's difficult to tell, but I've been rubbing them out and it turns out real well. So I've been hand reviewing the little yellow spots. Hard to see, isn't it? So right here, boop, then boop, then boop. Seeing these little crevices? There's dirt. I clean that off slowly with Q-tips. Steel bank collectors do something similar. And then I use it to get behind the cabs to just make sure we're in a decent place. A little bit dirty. Okay, I turn this upside down and I got all this stuff out. Kid rocks, kid dirt. Some of this might be part of a rubber bladder, but I don't think so because there's wood grain. Woo! All that out of... Okay, this is next. Ooh. Okay, so this is a big project. We're probably going to do part 1 and part 2. So part 1, check it out. We got the beautiful pinstripes. I did a bit of a rubber conditioner here. We got the black popping. I mean, this is level 2. We'll have to redo it, but we had to get all the soil and such off. Rust, and then we'll do one more level. So, cheers from Ed. Richfield, gasoline, part 1.